Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I install my wigs and how I straighten it using the smooth and straightening brush. If you're not subscribed, be sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will leave a time frame from when I do the brush if that's all you want to see. Alright, so it is hot as hell in here, y'all. So if my fan click on in the back, I'm sorry, I'll talk as loud as I have to. Yes, my nail is broke off. I am very irritated about it and it very hurts. It hurts a lot. It very hurts. So you guys know, unless you're new here, how I normally install my wigs. I don't really talk as much as I would like to, so today I want to do a very detailed video on how I install my wigs. And also I'm going to be trying this new product I just bought from the Dollar General. It's only $20. I just want to know if it works or not. My friend said that hers work or whatever, and it worked on a synthetic wig, so let's see if it works on my human hair wig because it's getting a little dusty. So this is the product. It's a smooth, my damn O-ring like all in the damn box. It's a smooth and straighten all in one. So if your hair is curly like this, it's supposed to leave it straight like that, which is the wig that I bought. It was the blonde wig that I installed, which will be listed in the description box below, that I watercolored black. So for starters, I'm gonna take my freeze blast. I need some more of this crap, and I'm gonna just spray the perimeter above this line to install. Oh, and just FYI, my blow dryer has a cool, so that's why I'm able to hold it as close as I can, because I'll be back and forth clicking from the cool and the heat. So that's just me personally. Now I like to just double check the sides because they take the longest to dry, and mine is still a little damp, but it also could just be where I'm gonna cut this part off. So just to be extra secure, sometimes I will double spray, but to check to see if it's gonna lift, you just pull up a little bit, and mine is kind of on there. So now I need my scissors. All right, so you're gonna take your scissors, and I like to start in the middle, like right up in here, and just cut away. And then I'll take this side or that side, whichever one. It's easier for me to go this way because I am right-handed. Stocking cap over my sideburns because it never works out for me that way, and it gets real sticky and real tacky. So sometimes I don't glue my wig down there, which is okay if that's what you want to do. That's me personally. Sometimes I glue down there, sometimes I don't, because it really pulls on my sideburns. I have really long sideburns and I don't want to cut them. So sometimes I shape them up to about right here, and that'll work out, but I haven't done that, so. And now I'm just cutting off that extra lace that's, you know, gonna be sticking up and all throughout the wig, and I don't want that. And now I'm gonna show you guys. So basically, what I did on this side, I'm gonna cut from here all the way to tip of my ear. Be careful. You do not want to cut your ear. I kind of just snipped my ear a little bit just now. And then I'm gonna go diagonal this way. Please don't. I don't need y'all going back saying, oh, she made me cut myself. Because, no, I didn't. I told you to watch what the hell you was doing. And you decided that you wanted to go cut yourself. That's your fault, not mine. Now that that part is over, we're going to take some foundation. I am in the color Mahogany, and we're going to take a brush and we're just going to put our foundation all over the stocking cap. Now, a lot of people don't really mention this in their videos. Ooh, I got the wrong brush. But how far you put your foundation matters. It matters. Because if my hairline, say for instance a full lace wig, my curly wig was a full lace wig. If it's a full lace wig, you don't want to have your part way back here and this is white and this is brown. That's tacky. Don't be that person. That's tacky. So that's just a FYI. I like to mention that. I'm not saying that the people who don't mention it don't do it, but I just never seen the video where, there go my fan. I just never seen a video personally where I see them explain going way to the back of your head. So you're gonna take, I have my Ghost Bond glue. They have more newer glue than this. Everybody's like going to the platinum or using like Jania Michelle's Ghost Bond glue. When I tried to order her Ghost Bond glue, it was sold out. So you're just gonna take, you can do, I do up to 3 layers. It depends. Sometimes I just want to do 2. Sometimes I want to do 1. Sometimes I want to do 2. But you can do up to 3 layers. What's Vita?
Yeah.
It's dead?
Yeah.
All right. And sometimes I like to do it in sections, but lately I've been going like from over here all the way to the side. That just helps me out a little better and it's a quicker process. That way I know where I'm going with this. So I'm just going to show you guys that method. You're going to take a clip and pin all that hair back so it won't be getting all in your glue. And I like to sometimes make my glue go all the way up. And I'm going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to pull it downwards like that. So that way you're not making the wig cap roll back up. And lately I haven't been using my blow dryer like talking about it when I'm doing this method because I don't want the glue to get too dry. I need some more Ghost Bond glue. I don't want the glue to get too dry because it makes it harder for it to stick down. So sometimes I just keep doing this until I see that the glue is drying. Yeah, I need to pull it down a little bit first. Oops. And we're gonna wrap it, so I know it looks like it's easily coming off, but we're gonna wrap it, so it's okay. See, I'm ended up pulling all the hair down this way. And I just like to press gently on it to make sure it's sticking down. And then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna like brush the hair out the way. See? And it's trial and error. See, like right there, that'll be hair that I this right here is what I'll cut off.
I'm not sure if it's the beginning of the video. You want to just skip straight to where I try out the heat straightener. Then I will leave that time.
So here's my scarf, and I'm just gonna wrap that around. I'm just gonna wrap that around the perimeter of my hair. And I normally let it sit for about 10-15 minutes just to let that lace melt into my skin. Back then, but yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for about 10-15 minutes, let that lace really set into my skin, and I'll be back. Okay, I don't know what happened. It stopped recording, and I ended up getting one side of my head freaking recorded. It did not record. So this side did record, the other side didn't record. So I'm gonna just show you guys me straightening out this side, since this side didn't show. Alright, you guys, so I was trying to explain that my video stopped recording for whatever odd reason. So I ended up straightening one side of my head, and I'm going to show you guys how I straighten the other side. I thought it was recording when I did that side because that's the side I really want to show you guys, but apparently it didn't. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it on this side. So basically, I'm going to pin my hair up. You don't have to do itty bitty sections like you would have to do with a flat iron. All you have to do is take a good 4 pieces. If you want to do a split middle like I did, all you need is like 3 to 4 pieces of hair. And you just do exactly what I'm doing, and it will straighten out. Now, it doesn't straighten out on the first try. You will have to flat iron the hair, well, straighten out the hair. About 3-4 brushes, and it'll become straight. Now, I was kind of rushing on this side, so it didn't come out as straight as the other side did. But it's all trial and error, so just take your time. It'll work out perfectly fine. No issues. So you'll just watch. It's self-explanatory. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished look. I will give this brush a thumbs up. I think it did a fantastic job. It's way better than a flat iron. I highly recommend it. I will leave a description. I will leave its information in the description box below if they have any. Like I said, I bought it for $20 at Dollar General. And I'll see you guys in my next video.